Let me show you how much money you can make promoting LeadHero as an affiliate. Now make sure you stay until the end because I'm going to show you something at the end of the video that kind of blew my mind and I think you'll find it pretty useful. So I'm on the affiliate page here for LeadHero, and as they tell you here, you can earn up to $195 per week per sale. All right, and so you're promoting a product that people desperately need. They want to get traffic to their website, and so if they use your affiliate link and let's say they purchase this premium 2,800 clicks per week, so they'd be paying $1,950 every single week automatically. It's a recurring subscription, and you would get about 10% of that, which is $195 per week per sale. So that comes to about $800 a month that you would make from just one person signing up and staying subscribed for a month. So you can imagine if you get tens or even hundreds of people signing up, you can make a lot of money from this. Now, of course, one of the best ways to actually do affiliate marketing is to use and try out the product that you promote so you can be honest with your audience and they'll trust you. So for your convenience, I've actually included my affiliate link to LeadHero in the description of this video. So if you do want to try it out once before you promote it, then you can do that. Now, I feel like most people, you probably don't think you can actually make money from this unless you're like a huge influencer like Mr. Beast with like hundreds of millions of followers and subscribers, or you have to have super viral videos that get hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views to make real money from this. But is that really true?
Hell no! No!
I actually used a really unique strategy to set myself up with recurring commissions without creating any viral videos or even showing my face. So let me show you some actual proof so you can better understand what I mean. So here's my dashboard for ScaleNut, which is a content creation platform that uses AI to help people with their SEO so that you can get found in search results. As you can see, with just 11 clicks on my affiliate link, I got one person to sign up to ScaleNut, and this one sign up has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now this says unpaid earnings because they had a minimum threshold of $50, which it didn't meet last month. So in this payment cycle, this money will actually get released to me. Now 89 bucks might now sound like a lot of money until you look at the videos on my channel that actually led to this result. These are some of the videos that I posted on my channel: Show Me Software, ScaleNut versus Jasper, only 15 views, 24 views, 10 views, 2 views, right? 3 views, 7 views. So I have like about 10 or so videos about ScaleNut posted, and mostly they're very short videos, like 2-minute videos, and they have very few views, and that has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now the person who signed up, as long as they stay subscribed to ScaleNut's subscription plan, every single month I'm going to earn about $45. So this number is going to continue to go up most likely. Now imagine scaling this strategy up and having dozens or even hundreds of super short videos on your channel, each with an affiliate link. You can stack your monthly commissions and start making life-changing income way faster than most people realize. Now the problem is that most people don't understand the strategies to actually have a successful affiliate marketing business, because you can't just spam random content and throw your affiliate link around everywhere if you want to make serious money. So what's the best way to actually learn affiliate marketing if you're a complete beginner? Well, I would recommend Legendary Marketer. This is the homepage of Legendary Marketer. As you can see, this is an online marketing education company, and the main guy behind the program is this guy named David Sharp, or Dave Sharp. He's the CEO and founder. And if you read his story, it's actually really motivating. This guy was, he dropped out of high school. He was a teenage father. He got into substance abuse at a very early age, and his life was in shambles. He didn't know what he was doing until he discovered that you can actually make money online with affiliate marketing. And so he went down that rabbit hole, and after many years, he eventually learned the tricks. He learned how to actually make real money online with affiliate marketing, and that's how he founded Legendary Marketer, which is easily one of the best affiliate marketing or starting an online business training programs on the entire internet. It's super popular and tons of people talk about it and use it. They're on a mission to help people start a new business or grow their existing online business with the cutting edge marketing strategies. And so if you actually look at their products, they offer lots of different products for coaching and training. They have a 5-day learn, launch, lead challenge where you actually learn how to actually get started and setting up your business in just 5 days. There's nothing like it. It's going to save you countless hours, weeks, months, and even years of sifting through tons of random useless information online. They're going to give you training every single day. You can also meet with an advisor one-on-one and get your questions answered. And at the end of the challenge, you're going to be equipped with the knowledge and confidence to put everything you learned into action. So you can actually get started using the training on Legendary Marketer. I've actually included the link to the 5-day challenge in the description of this video. It is extremely affordable. If you click start the challenge, you can see it's only $5. You're going to learn tips and tricks from a legend. This guy has made, David Sharp, the founder, has made over $200 million in sales online through affiliate marketing and course sales. So you're learning from the best. Now, on top of the 5-day learn, launch, lead challenge, Legendary Marketer offers various different products that you can actually purchase. So they've got the Marketers Club, which is a weekly webinar where they have marketing coaches and experts from all over the world and different skills with different experiences, and they share the most cutting edge, up to date information on how you can, become a better marketer and make more money. So that's a subscription that you can purchase. It's very affordable. They also offer a business blueprint that can give you step-by-step instructions for setting up your business as an affiliate marketer. So that's super detailed, and you get lots of specific information with the technology and software that you need as well. And so they've got a bunch of other products. They've got coaching and consulting as well, so you can actually directly get coaching from their experts. They have events and masterminds. So they've got a lot of information. They've got lots of different products for you. And if you start with the 5-day learn, launch, lead challenge, then really you have the skills that you need to be able to go forward and pursue any kind of marketing business that you want to start. You're going to have the fundamentals, and it's just the best place to start, in my opinion. You can also see that they have a lot of reviews. They have 258 reviews with an average of 4.6 rating on Trustpilot, and they are a verified company with most reviews that are 5 stars. So Legendary Marketer is really useful if you're serious about making money with affiliate marketing, and you can use the link in the description to get started for just $5. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.